Namaskaram girls. So last topic we started the Russian Revolution, isn't it girls? In that Russian Revolutions we know about the Nicholas II. How the Nicholas II's rule has stopped. So that is a revolution. Two revolution has taken place in the month of October and which year girls? 1917 two revolution has taken place. Now this part we are going to see about the provisional government. Provisional government, there were two local bodies. One is under control of the Duma, which was taken under the control of Menshevik, and the workers, majority of the workers have under the control of the Bolshevik. Bolshevik we will see little detail, okay. So two parallel bodies are taking under the control. So the workers, many have together formed a council, that is a Soviet. So those Duma were able to form a provisional government with the consent of the Soviets. Soviet was dominated by Menshevik and the minority was Bolshevik. Bolshevik were timid. Timid means very rigid. They are undecided. So this is the situation before arrival of the Lenin. So this is a provisional government. And how the failure of the provincial government. During this revolution, Lenin was in Switzerland. When he was in Switzerland, he wanted to continue the revolution. So his slogan, all of the powers to the Soviet have to go over to the workers. So the power have to go to the workers. So many, at the time war has taken place, isn't it girls? So the people were attracted by the slogan, but the provincial government made two grave demand for the redistributions of land. So unpropertied class and the unpropertied class. So those who have the landowners, they can rule the government like that they had, isn't it? So like that, this is the one, and that is which was a Petrograd, which was led by the Bolshevik. The government was banned and arrested. All Bolshevik, Trotsky, he was a leader for the Bolshevik party. He was also arrested. And they take over by the Bolshevik by Lenin. Under the Lenin. Lenin was entering now. So Lenin has taken power in the October. By the Central Committee, they decided to take a revolution. Trotsky prepared a plan on 7th November 1917, which was including the Winter's Palace, that is Prime Minister headquarters, was seized by the armed factory workers. So the revolutionary troops, they formed the troops on 8th November 1917. A new communist government was in the office in Russia. So this was led by the Bolshevik. This was renamed as Russian Communist Party. So Lenin, we are going to know little about the Lenin. He was born in 1870 in the Middle Volga. He was educated, which was influenced by the ideas of Karl Marx. Karl Marx, he has prepared the Marxism theory. So Lenin believed that want to get the freedom through the mass action. So Lenin gained the support of a small majority, that is Bolshevik. Already I told now girl Bolshevik. The minority, they are called as a Menshevik. So the outcome of the revolution. So the Russian Communist Party eliminated illiteracy, poverty. The agriculture has developed. Industry has developed, women were given equal rights. So they were giving their rights to the industries. Bank becomes nationalized. Lenin announced as a social property land was distributed to poor peasants. Though he was an important factor for the provisional government was its failure because of the World War I. Okay, Lenin immediately appealed for peace. And he opted for withdrawing from the war. Considering to form the new government in March 1918, the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk was signed. Already I told now girls, These are the outcome. Global influence of the Russian Revolution. What is the global influence? So worldwide it has become a popular. Many countries, communist parties were formed. The Russian communist government encouraged the colonies to fight for their freedom. Debates over their land reforms, social welfare, workers' rights, gender equality, all was taken widely in the global, in all over the world. So these are the outcome of the revolution. Next topic we will see the League of Nations.